All right, we are doing this a drop test with the Google Pixel 4 XL using the case by Ringke, the Fusion X. This is the Camel Black, looking very, very cool on this device. Now, this is a working device, as you can see there. So we're going to drop test it, see just how protective this case is, if it will actually protect your device if you happen to drop it. So we're going to start off with a 3-foot drop test right here in 3, 2, 1. Oh, all right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. And it looks like it kind of landed on its side. I don't see any damage done to the display here. Let me go and power off the display. Looking good. No cracks, no scratches. Camera's looking good. Let's do it again. Another 3-foot drop test. 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go again. Looking good. Everything's still looking good. Protecting the device very well. Let's go ahead and take it up to about 5 feet right here. We'll throw it this way with the screen down. 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. And I don't see any damage done to the screen. Still protecting it very well. Let's go ahead and see how good it works. Still working good, as you can see there. No damage done to the camera. Let's go ahead and check it out at about 6 feet right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that hit really hard right there. I heard that one. Camera looks good. Let's check out the screen. And the screen still looking good. No cracks, no scratches. Doing a very good job at protecting this device. Still functioning very, very well, as you can see there. I absolutely love this case. Let's do it one more time at about 6 feet. 3, 2, 1. Boom! All right. No damage was done to the device. So very good job with this case, Ringke, protecting the device very, very well. What is up, everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at these cases by Ringke for the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now, as you just saw by the drop test I just did, they are definitely going to protect your device. This is the Fusion X lineup. As you can see, I got 3 available right here, all the same case, just different colors. And obviously this one has a different design. So the one in the middle is the Fusion X Blue with a clear back, as you can see there. And then we have the black color as well, also with a clear back. Now this one over here is called the Fusion X Camel Black, which is actually my favorite out of the bunch. And this is pretty much my go-to case for all of my devices. Not only because it has a cool design in the back, but it doesn't really add any bulk to your device as well. It is very thin, as you can see. They're not adding too much bulk, and it also gives it great protection, as you saw from the drop test. Now, around the outer edges, it is kind of like a hard rubber, I guess you would say, with this cool design going around the edges. And then we got a nice deep cutout for the camera. So if you happen to drop your device flat on its back on a flat surface, that camera should stay protected. Now, going to the front, you also got some nice lips around the edges, more of a deeper lip on the bottom and at the top, as you can see there. So if you happen to drop it face down by accident or just set it down on a desk, it should be protected from any scratches or cracks. As you can see here, no damage was done. Let me go ahead and show you the back to show you that no damage was done to the back either. It definitely protected that back from any cracks and scratches. Looking very, very good. No damage done there. Let's go ahead and throw it back on. Let's check out wireless charging really quick to see if that works. And wireless charging is a go, as you can see there. Now let's go ahead and look at the cutouts. So we got the cutouts on the bottom for the charging port, speaker, and a microphone, all looking perfect and good. Got a cutout up top for the microphone. Let's go ahead and check out the power button. Power button is working good. Let me face unlock this really quick. There we go. Let's check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working very good as well. Now, sometimes it is kind of hard to find them because it is pretty much flat with the side. All you have to do is feel for the little texture that they got going on here, and then the little texture that they have on these buttons as well. But for the most part, they work very, very good. And then there is also a little slot right here in case you would like to put a lanyard on this case. So aside from this one looking very cool, let's go ahead and try out the other colors really quick to see what they are going to look like on the device. I do have the white device, as you can see here. This will hide that orange accent button on the side, so you're not gonna be able to see that. So it's basically going to look like a white and blue case. And this one actually looks pretty cool. It shows off the back of the device, that white color, and still having that nice blue color around the edges. Again, going to give you the same protection. Buttons are going to work the same. All cutouts are the same, as you can see there. Actually looks really good with this color. Let's go ahead and try out the black one, see what that looks like on here. Now, the outer edges of this white device are already that matte black color, so pretty much going to look the same, but it's going to hide that orange accent button. So this is what the black color is going to look like, still showing off the back of the device. Like I said, wireless charging is going to work with this case. So overall, these are definitely some good cases to go with, especially if you want some great protection for your device. And if you want it to look really, really cool, this Camel Black is a definite good choice to go with. But like I said, they're gonna give you some great protection, look cool, feel slim, not adding too much bulk. And if you find yourself interested in any of these cases, I will make sure to drop a link down in the description below. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Like I said, this is pretty much my go-to case for all of my devices. They have never done me wrong. But like I said, leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.